Hey everybody, Poor Man here, circling the globe and my kitchen to bring you the best tasting cocktails from all over the world. Well, there's a nip in the air, and what that means, autumn is upon us. And when you speak of autumn, what do you think? Well, we're talking pumpkins, we're talking turkey dressing, and we're talking apple cider. I have got a drink here today you are absolutely gonna love, and it's perfect for sitting around warming up by the fire, and it only has 3 ingredients. So, we're gonna get it started. We have an orchard not too far from us, and every year they do a month-long sort of carnival. So we went over, Poor Man picked up some fresh apple cider, and I have a brand of infused alcohols that I really love. It's called Naturally Infused. This is cinnamon apple. Literally, all we're gonna do is we are gonna take 2 ounces of this cinnamon apple, bang, right here. You can whip this up in no time. And you know Poor Man likes a strong drink, so add a lot of octane to your drink, and this will not take away, this is only gonna add to the flavor of your apple cider, your poor apple cider. 2 ounces of your infused cinnamon apple vodka. We're gonna do 1 ounce of vanilla vodka. It's surprising. You see, I use a lot of vanilla vodka. Very versatile. It works in a lot of different things, and it really adds a nice touch in this drink here as well. So, we've got 2 ounces of your infused cinnamon apple. We've got 1 ounce of vanilla vodka, and now we're gonna put in 2.5 ounces of delicious, wonderful apple cider. I've taken the liberty of putting ice in a glass. Again, not a whole lot of setup to this. Literally, you're gonna roll this twice, pour, and enjoy. Poor Man's apple cider. Bon appetit. That is good. And it's got some octane. So, for the recipe, go to pourmanmike.com. And if you push this button right here, you'll instantly become a Pour Minion, which gets you ahead of the line speed pass for each and every new Poor Man episode, as well as some other cool stuff as we travel along the way. So, till next time, pour well, pour often, Poor Man. We'll see you around.